can't draw anything. He's not so cool. Oh, you can't even draw that line. See, you can't draw that line. You're just so bad at drawing, right? Oh, right. The drums are coming from a towel. You see that? See, the drums are coming from a towel? No, like that towel. See, it's like the car connected.
The bat signal.
Batman, I need a Batman.
Wait, I hope we do the bat signal. If we do the Batman signal at the end, that's one.
We're not Batman. He just comes out and walks in. He just falls from wolf. He's a look, trying to grab something.
What is that?
A tree. A tree. I had to put it in the, it had a log. A tree's not a log. It's just a leaf. It's just a leaf.
It's just blood from the slice of stuff.
Yo, hopefully a triangle or leaf shape, leaf shape. Oh my god, that's so like the pyramid. Oh, the upside down tree was no long.
I swear I saw it. Dude, it's almost exactly there.
7, 6, 7.
Look, how to be honest.
That's not the 7. Look, it's the upside down pyramid. I'm cooked. The Viking. Go follow them.
I sure, it's when the drones have jet engines.
Yeah, they'll go and follow. They're cooked. I forgot jet engines.
Hold on. It's when the drones have jet engines.
That's good, bro. Wait, I'm not much back off. This is trying to jump. I mean, that's our thing. We see all of them.
I got drones cost like $1,000. Just one.
Remember we could have free drones at school? Now there's a chance we have free drones at school. Why not? No. Why do you get a bike over a drone? You got a bike over a drone in school one time. See, it's a drone.
No, but the drone is
Yo, it's a
why
hot
is
tree
it still
shape.
good? Either way, both of them are still good.
Yo, it's a hot tree shape. It's a hot tree. It's a hot tree.
Wait. That's how I saw
Let's do it.
Where did it go? Exhibit David plus me. Where's Jay?
David plus the ball. David plus the ball.
David plus Billy Ball. David plus the
Yo, it's a heart shape of the leaf that came from Austin.
You're lucky you did.
Look, it's a
A shopping bag, no, it's a shopping bag. Are they doing it for motion? They just did it for motion.
No, I know it's shopping bag, but it's still looks like you can see it well. What's that? Welcome. Is that how?
No, get it. You can put it in box.
I can't forget it. It's a flower.
You haven't used it. They ruined it. They ruined it.
Okay, I didn't ruin the strong though. Wait. The seed comes in on my upper lip, by the way. I'm not kidding. That big seed! You see the big seed? Nah, that's a tail. Oh, it's an airplane! Now you see the airplane?